Slam. Yo, I will say solid as a rock with a butch not take. For the youths where I seek, enough knowledge I a leak. Be too long the same mistakes I repeat. A full time the country rise to its feet. Enough of these laws must be repealed for any progress to occur globally. I say even if a collie ain't your cup of tea, you gotta acknowledge what's reality. Marijuana never hurt nobody. It's all propaganda like the daddy. Alcohol noxious but still legal because it provide them so much capital. But I will remain radical and frugal. Highly Selassie are the highest official. You could have buck bull or true metal. I'll never back down from none of your rascals. So Officer Wally, don't you try no folly. I ain't no criminal, I'm on no trouble nobody. My herb medicinal smoking ain't my hobby. You drink coffee, I smoke Cali. If you had a clue about one of it many use, you would advocate, not fret about abuse. Healing of the nation, that is the truth. Genesis 1:29 is my proof. So, give me a little air. Say finally, this naughty dread can smoke in a peace. No have to take no offense from no police. I man was waiting, I was praying, I was hoping for the days like these. Say finally, yeah, naughty dread can smoke in a peace. No have to take no offense from no police. I man was waiting, I was praying, I was hoping for the days like these. Remember when me used to have this stuff it in my socks or my shoes. Come and never want me mama see me pan now news. That holy sacrament it truly changed my views. From the very first draw, inspiration I owes. The marijuana plant ain't just another plant. Made me forget all my cats and moderate all my wants. Them say it make you rebel against what? Babylon the schemes and plots. But finally, this naughty dread can smoke in a peace. I mean no have to run from no police. I man was waiting, I was praying, I was hoping for the days like these.